Welcome to Vertex.market. In this video, we will tell you how to make profit with peer-to-peer cryptocurrencies exchange. Work from home is a trending topic in our times, as more and more people are wondering how to make some money working from the comfort of their home, operating a computer or a mobile device even. With an emerging cryptocurrencies market, a lot of heads turn to the idea of making profits with Bitcoin. Many people already made large profits by holding or exchanging Bitcoin for their financial benefit. This is called capital gain, and you rely on markets going in your favor, which mostly means up. This is not a safe way to make money, and it can go wrong very easily. The centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are dominated by bots, making it hard to achieve any profits as an individual trader. And limited fiat money currency options with enormous withdrawal and deposit fees are making it even worse. If you start P2P trading, you sell cryptocurrency and charge a premium by offering convenience to your fellow citizens, by offering to buy with local bank transfer, PayPal, or any other of the over 100 payment methods. This premium is your profit, and it's only related to the amount you trade, not the price of Bitcoin, as you always charge the same percentage, and for certain, buy Bitcoin for less than you sell it for. The best is that you don't need much to get started. You can grow your P2P account over time as the profits keep exponentially growing the more you have. With the low transaction fees of just 0.5% per transaction, Vertex.market provides residents of over 200 countries around the world with a way to make large money by buying and selling Bitcoin with your country's specific payment methods. As a vendor, you are free to provide your services and decide your desired price. Taking the security very seriously, Vertex.market ensures safety of each trade via escrow protection, thus making your P2P trading as safe as possible. If trading is not your cup of tea, you can still earn a referral percentage for traders that you invite to our platform. You can earn up to 75% of your invited traders' 0.5% transaction fee. Sounds good? Happy trading at Vertex.market.